Understand in our minutes. What does the inside of ultra-small MLCC look like? 3 steps to complete metallographic sectioning. There are thousands of MLCC multi-layer ceramic capacitors hidden in your phone and computer. They are as small as a grain of rice, but they are the heart of an electrical circuit. But are the internal dielectric layers and electrodes stacked evenly? Are there any cracks? See with your eyes. Impossible. You have to use metallographic slices. Today, I will take you through the fast sample preparation process of small MLCC in 2 minutes. These are samples that have been set with epoxy. Each contains rows of small capacitors. Inlay can better batch sample preparation. 3-step grinding and polishing is easier than you think. P400 silicon carbide disc. Quickly flatten the sample surface. If you prepare a lot of samples, the capacitance is too large. It is more durable to replace it with a diamond disc. To POS disc plus 9 micrometers diamond, remove rough abrasion marks. Preliminary reduction of deformation layer. This step saves a crucial step in sample preparation. Alternative multi-pass grinding step. 3. SC polishing cloth plus 1 micrometer diamond. Further refine the surface, eliminate subtle scratches, and obtain a mirror surface. Okay, throw it away. Go to the microscope and take a look at the bright field. The light gray one is the ceramic dielectric layer. The dark gray is the nickel inner electrode layer, neatly stacked layer by layer. 3-step sample to see the inside. Let miniaturization and high reliability no longer be contradictions.
Trojan. Discover the truth of material.